today's review is on the Kevlar kit for the Raspberry Pi Pico W from Sunfounder. Hey, my name is Larry. Again, welcome to my channel. It's about product reviews, experiments, and all kinds of other fun things. It's in the world of science, technology, engineering, math, and magic. Hey, just like always, if you like this hat, check the link below. You can get one for yourself at AmericanPursuit.com. Hey, don't forget to help out my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. As many comments as I can get and likes that I can get, the better it is for my channel. Thank you. Here's the kit. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what's all in it. Now, I already did do a little bit of experiment with this, and here is the Pico Pi. And inside the kit, you can see a nice little list of everything it comes with. You can see the schematic sheet for what it tells you every single pin it does on the GPIO of the Pico W. And then we can just go through a few various things in here. There's a nice package of resistors. There's a remote here for other things to do. There's servos. There's all kinds of other pins. There's lights. There's push buttons. When you open this up, there's a nice little pad if you want to try to make a security pad. You come down here on the bottom. There's all kinds of nice package of wires. There are other pins in here. There's a motor. There's a key fob, so you can play around with key fobs. There's a nice little box in here that has preset and pre-cut wires for you to play with on the breadboard, which that's a really nice, helpful thing. And then other things in here, there's a fan blade, and I believe there is there's a LiPo charger here. There's also a battery pack. But yep, this is all kinds of fun stuff. I will also use this because if you look at the Amazon site to purchase this product, there is a series made by Paul McWhorter, and I'm going to do the series and all the homeworks from it, and I'm going to attach a bunch of videos in a series of doing all the homeworks and all the little fun projects with this kit.